This is Ground Affected. My name is your dad, and welcome to getting airbrush dust all over your new studio on day 1. In this video, I'm going to be taking you through step 2 of building my studio. I think I'm close to about 85% complete. Hopefully you enjoy the video. If you don't, there'll be instructions at the end on what to do. Let's just get straight into building my studio again. This area over here is going to be my tattooing area. I'll have my workstation, inks up on the wall, maybe a logo up there, I'm not really sure yet. But that's a tattooing area, TV for, of course, TV things. Then over in this corner here, we're going to have probably a table that's going to come out across here. One that will go in there, so this will be like where I work on my computer and stuff. And then there'll be another table over here. Let me step back so you can see. There'll be another table over here, and over there, and over there. Also on the roof, we're gonna mount a rack at some point. Not a rack, a rail, so that I can put my camera hanging from the roof and I can just slide it over to each station as I'm working, which sounds pretty fantastic. Okay, so this is day 4? Day 4. This is day 4. I'll try to keep the camera straight, but I'm so tired. Floors are happening. A lot of floors are happening. Give me one sec, let me show you. So I've spent most of the afternoon putting in the flooring. I have so much to do still. We actually have to put a skirting around the edge there, and I think I needed to do that first, so I don't really know what to do right now, but I'm just gonna carry on. I've tried doing as much as I could by myself. I need to freaking put a box there, which kind of sucks because it means I need to move. Yeah, basically I'm stuck. I need to do more stuff before I can move stuff, and then put more floor down before stuff, and then other stuff. To say I'm tired is an understatement. I'm wrecked, I'm hot, I'm bothered. I'm gonna get back to making my dream place. Hope you enjoyed the next few videos of, I don't know. Am I gonna have videos? Who knows? I'm really bad at this, can't you tell? So it's super early. I'm at George's house. This is day number 6. I don't know. Day 6. Shut up, I'm trying to make a video. It's day 6-ish. Somewhere around there. I'll update you when I get to the shop.
How good at way at building?
Tend to be moving it away. So basically we don't know which board, because there's 2 boards in the back, and we don't know which one is the one for this, but we figured it out after a little bit of a sparky. We figured it out. Now I said to George he needs to use a piece of wood to switch the switch, because I'm terrified. Look here, by the way. Wait, before you do it, look at how bright this light is.
Well, there was no spark there.
When you put it back, you'll see sparks. Where's your stick?
There's the piece of wood.
Here it is. It's big sparks, bro.
Nothing.
Oh, no sparks.
You lie.
Okay, so I'm not gonna lie, I'm getting pretty bad at making these videos. Vlogging is not as easy as it appears to be when you see it on YouTube. Basically, I did a lot of work and I didn't record any of it. I'm at the point where I'm now holding the microphone instead of clipping it on, because clipping it on is just too much work at this point. So if you have a look over in this general direction, you can see with the microphone and my lovely painted thumbnail, this is a mess. And you would have seen that we went to a flea market. What do you call this thing? It's a car boot. In the UK, they call them a car boot. And we try to look for something like this, which is just a display case thing. But unfortunately, we didn't find anything like that. So we ended up at a charity shop, and I found this one at a charity shop for pretty cheap. It's probably not the aesthetic that I'm going for in this shop, but it's a good placeholder for now, and it just keeps things in it so they don't get dusty while I'm trying to do the rest of the work. So the other night, we pretty much got all this flooring done. And I've still got to do a little bit of trimming and stuff around like that stuff. We've done the stairs at this moment. I've got a lot of painting still to do. I need to paint all these walls, and obviously that green needs to go. We cannot have that green. But let me take you through a tour so far of what we've managed to get done. And I'm now on the final bits of pieces, things like display cabinets, chairs, couches, all the kind of stuff that you need to have in a studio. But this is the part that's probably going to take a bit longer. I've got the printers in their space. This is going to be their new space, and basically that is going to probably be the angle that you might see me from. Maybe from here, maybe from in the toilet, I don't know. Just one other thing which is quite annoying, really. I got these really cool acrylic, I don't know what they're shelves. They are indeed shelves. These are acrylic shelves. I got them, and it filled up most of my inks for tattooing, except for these ones. And I don't want to buy a whole nother 6 shelves just for a couple of friggin' inks. Also, George managed to find me this really cool Alexa thing, which is going to be the Alexa thing that I use once I get internet. So basically, we are almost there. I would say I'm at probably around 90-ish, maybe 85%. To be safe, let's say 85% complete. I've still got quite a fair amount left to do, but I will keep you updated. This is probably one of the last of the build videos, because I'm sure you don't really want to see a load of building a shop, because it's not shop affected, it's ground affected. So you need to see more ground. Also, I have this cool little thing. I don't know if you've seen that. George gave me that. That is a gift from George. George went and had it made. It's so bright that it blinds your retinas beyond recognition once you wear that thing in your eyeballs, because that's not how words work. That is not how words work. Use your words properly. It is so bright that if you look at that thing when it's on, you'll be blind for the rest of your life. Anyway, I hope that you enjoyed the build videos. I hope you enjoyed everything that happened. If you want to support the channel, make sure to click like, leave some words. I can't even show you the little square, the square box. Leave the words in the little square box. Make sure to click the like button if you haven't already. Click subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next video. Oh, by the way, I totally forgot to tell you, if you didn't like anything you saw in this video, you can kindly just cough. Now I gotta figure out how the heck am I gonna make this thing look right. That looks so weird. What the hell is that?